Hello dudes, welcome back to the channel. I'm in Beast Swarm Simulator today. Why am I recording in this game? Well, the reason why I'm recording is because I have over 100 moon charms. And over there, you need 100 moon charms to get a moon amulet. So that's what I'm gonna do. But first, let's get rid of this stupid spider. No royal jellies, but ticket, thank you. Oh yay! Equip the new one. Oh yeah! Yeah, I have the moon amulet. The moon seems to grow brighter. So, I don't know where to go. My hive has all the legendary bees, one of them gifted. Let's go over here. A moon sprout. I'll get to that later. Yay! A gifted bee. I don't know what that did. Discover 5 gifted bee types to generate a bronze star amulet. Gifted bee types. Now where's the stupid amulet? I mean charm. Stupid amulet. I mean charm. Oh, I got a royal jelly. So let's go use it. I'm gonna use it on my exhausted bee, since I don't really need it. No, not demo bee. I need him for the bomb pollen. No, definitely not baby bee. He's a legendary. No. Please, exhausted bee. There we go. What did I get? Hello?
I just saw that outside. There was a leaf that looks just like
hello?
Really? A leaf? Are you sure? Yeah, the leaf I saw.
Hello?
Eleanor, you must show me. Want to go outside and look for
Oh,
it?
stupid internet.
But first, we need to tell our royal subjects. Our royal subjects?
And let me restart my game and I'm playing this. Okay, we're back live. Let's claim my hive and use the royal jelly. Wait, I'm saving up my tickets for Cobalt Bee because I want a powerful bee. Because I want a powerful hive. Anyways. Yay, I got my Bumblebee back. It feels amazing. It feels amazing. Welcome back, Mr. Nerd. It'll take months to get my royal jellies back. And that's all we have to do this video. So I'll see you later.